Welcome back to your favorite small automotive YouTube channel. Today I'm standing behind my Audi A8 because I want to give you guys a stock exhaust video. So I get it. This is a V8 car. It's 4.2 liters. There's a lot of videos out there on this car about people updating their exhaust, cutting out the cats, taking off 2 mufflers and straight piping the thing. And this car sounds amazing straight piped. If this car is in better condition and I was keeping it, I would straight pipe the car. But since I've already pretty much destroyed the value of this car by the condition it's in, I'm going to leave it stock for now, and I want to show you guys what the stock exhaust sounds like on a 1999 Audi A8 Quattro with the 4.2 liter V8 engine from Volkswagen. With that said, I'm going to jump into the car, start it up, and give you guys a listen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, consider liking it and subscribing to the channel for future videos like this. My 1999 Audi A8 is not going to be with me for much longer, but I have a few videos left to come out on this car and lots of great content to come on the Hyundai and the F-150 and any future cars that I get. There's lots of new things coming to the channel and lots of sneak peeks on my Instagram account at EYVO_auto. Go on there, give me a follow, check it out, and just enjoy my automotive adventures, I guess. Being here in Idaho, I drive a lot and I enjoy it. I want to share those adventures with you guys, so go ahead, give me a follow, consider subscribing to the channel. And was this exhaust anything like you thought it would sound stock? If so, go ahead and leave a comment below. If not, leave a comment below and tell me what you guys thought. Tell me what you thought of this video. Tell me what you'd like to see in the future, and I hope you guys have a great one. I will catch you in the next video.